I guess we caught them doing some maintenance here. But we're here in building 14 at the Westin Lagunamar. We'll take the working one for a spin. Up to 6. Gotta catch the view. Very cool. Interesting they put this on every floor. But you can see they actually have like a little do not enter sign that shows up on the floor indicator while they're working on it. It's also a good thing I got off because the elevator went into use anyway. But we'll get a ride down in a second. Boy, this thing stopped on every floor both ways, just about. First time I've seen that on the whole property. I think they're having some trouble with their video screens in this place. Do they actually lock this? There it goes. What? I saw it go green. I wonder if they actually keycard this out if you have to stay in this building. Interesting. Well, I guess I kind of struck out twice, but we got to see some cool elevators. First one was a little too busy to film. Apparently, my room key doesn't get me in this building, even though I'm staying here. But I guess that is it.